In this video, guys, I'm going to give you the updated version of the money spot scalping strategy that I showed you using my desktop. So I want to show you the mobile phone version of how to trade it on your mobile phone, because quite a number of you people are asking me on how to set up your MS, the indicators I actually shared with you. If you have not watched that video, this is actually the video part of the Mastering Binance Futures Trading course I shared with you on this particular channel, where I took time to explain every single information and detail you need as a beginner to start making money in the futures market. The futures market is one of the amazing places you can actually make a lot of money, but you must bear in mind that the futures market is not suitable for all kinds of investors because there is a risk involved in that environment. So I took time to show you every single information and detail, and this particular video was the video I shared with you, and I took time to show you how you could actually take advantage of the market volatility to scalp. I actually explained everything in that video. You can find the link to this particular video in the description of this particular video, and then you can watch the complete playlist where you can see every single information about the futures market. It's an amazing place that you can take advantage of and start making consistent profit. And then I will take time today. I'll show you how to trade it with your mobile phone, not necessarily with your desktop. So coming back to our Binance, this is the Binance app. If you don't have a Binance app, go ahead and create one with the first link in the description, and you will have some bonuses attached to you. Then if you're new here, guys, my name is Solomon, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So let's get straight right into that. So to access your futures trading platform, you simply come to where you see futures, right? I will not go back to start explaining every single detail to you again, because everything is in that particular playlist I shared with you. So please do well to watch every single detail right there. It is enough for you to start trading. Every single video that is there is enough for you to have an in-depth knowledge of how the futures market works. Particularly today, I actually took some time to trade, and then I've made quite a decent profit. I made close to $10, almost $13 today, just today alone. So these are all the trades I took with this same strategy, and then I will be showing you today how to use your mobile phone to trade that. So when you come to the futures market, I will not explain everything here again because I've actually explained everything in the playlist, so you can go there and check for yourself. And then I will take time to also explain every single detail that you need to start trading the futures market with your mobile phone. So right here now, let me show you how to start trading. When you come to where you can see this candlestick symbol, right, we have BTC against USDT. If I click on that, I will actually see my chart right here. But on the mobile phone version of the Binance, I will not be able to add all the indicators I actually added on the desktop version. So that is where most of you have problem. Then I will show you one of the hack I use. I actually use MT4, which is MetaTrader 4, that most forex traders use to get my setup, and then I come here and take my trades. Let me show you exactly what I mean. If you go to MT4, if you don't know where to find MT4, you can find MT4 on Google Play Store. Let me show you how to find MetaTrader 4. When you come to Google Play Store, you click on that. After clicking on that, you just simply search for MT4, right? You can actually see it. So this is MT4. You go ahead and install it if you are totally new to this, but most of you that are familiar with financial market, you probably have used MT4 sometimes back. So let me go ahead and open my MT4 right now, and then I will show you the charts I'm talking about right now. So basically, when you're trading with MT4, you will have access to get a broker that will give you liquidity. That is the main reason why brokers are out there, to help you access the market. So right now you can see these are the indicators I added right there. So everything right here is similar to what is on Binance. So every single information you need right here. I'm actually using Windsor Broker for this particular video. I will put the link to register with the Windsor Broker in the description. Go ahead and register with them and have an account. Just get a demo account like this particular one, and then you can set up your account. So let me delete everything right here. I will delete every single information that is here. Just click on this, then I'll click on delete every MA. I will not have any indicator right now. So when you come here, the first thing you need to do is to set up your chart. If you are not seeing something like this, you're probably seeing an interface that is not like mine. So the first thing you do is that you simply come to where you see this particular 3 hamburger symbol. You click on that, and then you will scroll down to where you see settings. Click on settings, and then you scroll down to where you can see colors. Now you can change the colors. Bar up is blue, you can see bar down. Just watch every single color that is here, and then set up your own the same way I've set up my own. Then you click on done. Then go back to the charts right here. This is the chart, and this is ETH against USDT. If you click on this, you can actually see different crypto pairs. Right here we have ETH USDT, BTC USDT. So every single crypto is here, and then I'll go ahead and start setting my indicators. If you watch the previous video, you wouldn't have any problem with this particular one. So to set up your indicators, you simply come here where you see this particular icon. That is exactly where you find indicators on MT4. If you click on that, remember we use moving average on that particular video. We use different moving averages. I will click on moving average, then I will put in the setup. I will start with 37, which is one of the first setup I use. Remember, if you click on 37, now you put 37, you select the color you want to use. Let me go ahead and select this particular color, and then I'll click on done. So right now I can see my MA has already come out. I will click again and then get another MA, and then click on art, then come to moving average. Now I'll go to 39, which is the next one, remember. So I'll go ahead and put all the indicators for you, then I will continue from there. The number of all the indicators will be right in the description of this video. Click on done. Then I have the second one. Go ahead and take the next one. You click on this, then come to moving average. Now I'll click on 41, then click on done right now. So I will skip this video and then put all the MS, and then I will show you what to do. So right now, as you can see, I've finished setting up all my charts. So these are all the bands I need. I have 37, 39, 41, 44, 47, and 50 MS set up for me right now. I remember I said that for this strategy to work for you, you must use the 15 minutes, and then sometimes you jump to the 1 hour time frame. Right up here you can see M15, and then you can change it to 1 hour if you don't find a setup. And then what did I say on that particular video? For you to have a setup, you must establish that you have an uptrend, right? Just like this one. Now right here you can see that trend has just moved up. We are up right here, and then we wait for retracement. We wait for retracement, and then we find the retracement right here. Let me go back to that particular setup and show you. And then I will show you different entries that you can find. It's not every day that you find a setup on this particular. That is the beauty of trading. You can just go ahead and check other pairs that you have set up for. So right here we have price moved up, and then we can see retracement. It touches our band right here. So the conditions is that there must be space between the bands right here, and then we must establish that there is an uptrend. An uptrend is when you have a series of higher highs, and then you have a series of higher lows going up there. So right here we have price coming down, and then it hit our band, and then we printed a bullish candle right here. This is where we activate our trade, and then we remove our profit right here. Let me show you. We remove our profit right here, this level. So from here to this level, that is where we remove our profit. So when you check this, you can see different setups. This is not a setup because these bands are not separated, and then we have price push outside this particular band. Is not what we need. So anytime we see candles outside the band is not a good setup. We forget about it. We don't take that trade. So when you scroll, you can actually see different kinds of setup. This particular one, did we touch it? We did not touch it. We just touched the tip. So it's not a good trade for us to enter. We just forget about it. We look for other pairs. Right here we touch, and then we came down to this level. We removed profit around this level. When you scroll and check different places, you can see this is not a good setup. Don't take this, but this is a good setup. We have a retracement, we touch, and then we printed a bullish candle. We take our profit around this level, not the tail. We take it around where the candle is, because this is a scalping strategy. And then right now we have another setup. You see, when you push up, coming down, we take trades here. So everything that is happening here is same thing with your Binance app, because it's a general market that you have the same price and there is no differences. So you use your MT4 to get signals, and you run to your Binance and take your trades. So right here we can see you have to be patient with everything happening, because that is the beauty of trading. If you don't have a setup, you check other crypto pairs, and if you don't have a setup in other crypto pairs, you just forget about trading for that day. That is the beauty of money management. We have a downtrend here, and we have a retracement. We touch the band, and then we have a bearish candle printed. This is for the downside. Now if it is the upside, we need a bullish candle, but since it is a downside, we need a bear candle, and then we take our trade around this place. we take profit around this level. So our stop loss is right above this level, right outside the band, not too much. We have a tight stop loss. That is the beauty of scalping. And then when we are losing, we lose small. When we are winning, we will win much. So you can scroll and check, back test this strategy. You can even create a demo account on your MT4 and keep taking trades right now. Then when you have gained mastery, you can come back and take it on crypto. So when you come right here, you can see different setups. When you go to BTC, now let me go to BTC. I'll click on open chart. Then it's the same thing happening. Any kind of crypto pair you have an entry right here. You can check. This is not an entry. The bands are not separated. Do not take that trade because it is risky. So come in, you can check. Right now we have a setup right here. We took trade to that level. If you can check this, you can even check it on normal currencies. Let's check Euro USD. You click on this, you open chart. You can find it on Euro USD. This is not a setup, unfortunately. We will wait for this particular trade to come down and touch our band, and then we take it up again. But you can see setup on every kind of PA you see. We touched and then we came down. So this is actually a very decent strategy that I use almost every day to make my cool cash. And then one thing you must have in your mind, I will not deceive you and tell you there is no losing trades in this particular strategy. There is definitely a losing trade, but the losing trades is less than the winning trades you will have, and that is the business of trading. There is always this losing aspect. You must have it in mind that sometimes your setup will not work. Right now we see price coming down, we touch and then we came down. Very much profit in that particular trade. So any kind of PA at all, it works with this strategy. Very decent scalping strategy. I call it money spot. And then your money spot is that particular place that price has touched. All these places are money spots. You can take it on any kind of PA. Let's go to GBP USD. You can check different, if you open chart, so you can see different setups on almost every kind of PA. This one we take trades. So guys, this is basically what you do with this particular strategy. Remember, I told you must be very decent with your money management. So this is how to use the mobile phone version. You use MT4 to get your entries, and then you take your trades right here. So then once you see your trade setup, you simply come here and then you prepare to take your trades. Don't forget to use a very small margin. Please do not over risk your account. Right here I have 349. I actually traded this one from 270 something to this level. I'm trying to reach maybe $100 in a week. It's decent. That's how I do it. I don't want to over trade. And then if I don't have setup, it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. And then when I'm able to trade and get more profit, I can take it back to my spot wallet and invest it in other pairs. So this is actually what I use to make some decent cash. I'm not just telling you stories. I will take time and then take live trades right in your eyes and show you, record everything for you. Make sure guys you subscribe to have more details on what I'm doing. You can check any kind of PA. Once you want to take trades, you go ahead and take it. I will not explain how to take trades because I've explained everything in the series. Go and watch it if you're a beginner and learn how to take trades. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in another video.